Hello, everyone. In today's video, we'll be diving into the basics of epidemiology and exploring the essential tools and techniques every medical researcher should know. Whether you're new to research or looking to refine your skills, this video will give you a solid foundation to build on. We focus on three key components: the host, that's the individual affected, the agent such as a virus or bacteria, and the environment, the external factors that allow the disease to thrive. By understanding these interactions, epidemiologists can identify patterns and causes of health issues. Now, let's get into the key tools used in epidemiology. These are essential for medical researchers who want to apply epidemiological methods in their studies. The first tool is descriptive epidemiology, which involves characterizing the distribution of disease. Here, we focus on the who, where, and when of health-related events. We answer questions like, who is getting the disease? Where are they getting it? And when does it occur? This helps us generate hypotheses. Once you have a clear picture of the distribution, you can move on to analytical epidemiology, which digs into the how and why. This involves comparing groups to find associations between risk factors and health outcomes. Tools like cohort studies, case control studies, and randomized controlled trials are commonly used in this phase. Next, let's look at some of the essential techniques you'll use as a medical researcher. One of the most fundamental is measuring disease frequency. This includes calculating prevalence and incidence. Beyond measuring disease frequency, researchers use techniques like risk ratios and odds ratios to quantify associations between exposures and outcomes. These statistical measures help us determine the strength of a relationship, such as whether smoking increases the risk of lung cancer. Another key technique is confounding adjustment. Confounding occurs when a third variable distorts the relationship between the exposure and the outcome. Epidemiologists use methods like stratification and multivariate analysis to control for confounders and ensure their findings are valid. Epidemiology isn't just about studying diseases, it's about applying that knowledge to improve public health. Medical researchers use epidemiological tools and techniques to answer a wide range of questions. For example, epidemiology is used in clinical trials to evaluate the effectiveness of new treatments, in environmental health studies to assess the impact of pollution on populations, and in genetic epidemiology to understand how genes influence disease risk. By applying these tools, we can make evidence-based decisions that ultimately lead to better health outcomes. Now that you have a basic understanding of the tools and techniques, how do you get started? First, you'll need to familiarize yourself with key epidemiological software like SPSS, R, or Stata, which are used for data analysis. You should also brush up on your biostatistic skills, as these are essential for analyzing data and interpreting results. There are plenty of online courses and resources available to help you strengthen these skills. Finally, make sure to collaborate with other researchers and mentors in your field. Epidemiology is highly interdisciplinary, and working with others will enhance your research and help you gain practical experience. That wraps up today's video on basic epidemiology for medical researchers. I hope you found this introduction helpful and that you're excited to apply these tools and techniques in your own research. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on epidemiology, public health, and research methods. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching.